You got to remember, the trail doesn't disappear just because you decided to take a pause. You got to be willing to just keep going. Well, good morning. This is Peter. I'm looking to rebuild my wilderness and myself, one small step at a time. And I'm not looking to rebuild because I've failed or I haven't achieved what I wanted to achieve. I'm looking to rebuild because of what I've learned and what I will learn through this process. I'm looking to rebuild my strength, my endurance, but I'm looking to do it with real purpose and intention. So here goes the first of these steps. Got to get the training done if I'm going to make it. Let's get this going.
It's always been a beautiful time of day. I've loved getting up in the mornings and enjoying these kinds of beautiful scenes as the day comes alive. It really makes it worthwhile being out here. It's not just about the miles, it's about the wonder of it all.
It is some work out here, but it's also beautiful to be out in a forested area, hearing the forest come alive, seeing the critters starting to run.
I have to admit, my body doesn't recover the same anymore. Time feels different out here, and margins seem to matter more now.
Well, I'm not going to tell a lie. In terms of the impact on my person or my body as I do these trainings and get fit and try and achieve more in my latter years here, it has an impact. It does. I mean, you wake up, you're sore, you're tired, you need your sleep. The impact's real, but it's the opportunity to get out there, to enjoy the wilderness, to enjoy being in the outdoors, challenging yourself a little bit, and moving yourself beyond your comfort zone. It makes it all so worthwhile. So I don't know where this all ends, but it's, I think, worth the effort, and it's worth the incremental issues and pains that come along with that effort. So back to it, halfway.
So it begs the question, why am I sharing this, and why am I out here doing this? What does it matter? And I've shared that before, that I'm doing it mainly for myself, but also because I've got kids. And I want them to see me achieving something. And it's not just for me, it's for people like me, people that have been told, hey, you got to hang it up, and they're not ready to do that. They're wanting to keep going. They're wanting to keep on the path, keep moving forward. And what they're going to see is they're going to see me out here pushing along the trail, picking up the loads and getting it done as honestly as I can. And frankly, as I make mistakes, do things and learn things, I'm looking to share them with everyone as I can. So that's the why I'm out here. It's partly for me, it's partly for my kids, and it's partly that I want to share with other people that I feel that are in the same situation, that want to see other people like themselves doing this and being out here. So let's keep going. So what this is me trying to rebuild my strength carefully, practicing the skills that I'll need, and mainly staying curious about what's out there, what I can achieve, what I can get my body to do, and what I can, see. It's more to it than simply just hiking the miles these days. So I've stopped measuring the days so much by just pure distance. I've started measuring them in how I feel the next day and whether I can even get up and go again the next day, because that's how it really starts to matter, and that's what matters to me.
You got to remember, the trail doesn't disappear just because you decided to take a pause. You got to be willing to just keep going. I got to remember a couple of things. What this is, as I said, it's me rebuilding. It's me getting reconnected to my body, building the strength and the endurance that I need to achieve the things that I'm setting for myself as a goal. But what it's not me chasing speed or looking to conquer every summit that I see or to do any of those things. It's just about enjoying the person I am and the body I have today and the opportunities that affords me. And I really am blessed with the condition I am as I sit here right now. And I hope with the commitment and effort that I'm going to be putting in, I'll be able to adapt and get that strength and get that endurance and be able to really enjoy this journey a lot more than if I didn't make that commitment.